when you click on that, it says whiteboard, as you saw that. Once I click on that whiteboard, what it does is it would provide me these controls, and it's already going to go ahead and I had saved that position, but what it's done is it's captured the whiteboard over here, and it's real time. As you can see, I can write something. It's available. It's all real time. The other way, so it did an automatic scanning, and what it was looking for was this virtual, concentric squares over here. This is a marker that's available on our website, would be available, and you can download it from our website, or we would be shipping these in our boxes as well with the cameras. Very easy. If you don't have anything, you can even just draw it by yourself, as easy as that. The other option over here is manual. What manual does is, if I click on manual, what the camera has done is it's taken a screenshot of the room, and it has taken a screenshot, but it also allows me to not only mark my whiteboard, and it guides me, and it tracks my marking as well. So as you can see, it's telling me, go ahead and mark my first point, mark my second point, mark my third, and my fourth, and I just marked it, and in a second, it just extracted that and showed me the whiteboard. And it seems like the camera is placed at 90 degrees to the whiteboard, whereas you can see in the video or the camera how the camera is looking at it. So yeah, the algorithms are doing a really great job in orthogonally correcting any curvature that you would see in that, right? Increase the whiteboard readability, magic, right? We love Harry Potter. We are doing our own little Harry Potter stuff over here, right? So, and then the other thing you can see is, if I click on this, it would make this window disappear, and it would, in that small thumbnail that you're seeing, it would make the whiteboard as a virtual camera. And if you pay attention on your thumbnails, now my whiteboard has become has taken over the role as a virtual camera. I can bring it back to my shareable content, or I can make it as a video as well. Why do I want to make it as a video? When I make it as a video, it allows me to share my PowerPoint as shareable content. You cannot do two shareable contents in any video conference, right? So this allows you to make the camera or make the whiteboard as your primary video, and then do your shareable as you were to do shareable content. It's very powerful in case of, think of a use case scenario where you're talking about education, and the professor or instructor wants to just do some whiteboarding, but there's a content also being shared as a PowerPoint, so that way the students don't have to see the instructor. They can see the whiteboard, they can see the PowerPoint, both of things at the same time. So really cool stuff.